Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go here on our search bar and then search for settings. After that, click on open. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do is to click on apps. Now click on installed apps. And then after that, go here on the search apps and then search for WPS. Now you will see it right here. To delete it, what we're going to do is to click on the three dots and then we're going to click on uninstall. Now, once you click on uninstall right there, the app will now be deleted. However, if you did not see the WPS Office right here, then what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for control panel. After that, click on open. And then after that, we're going to click on large icons right here beside the view by, and then we're going to click on category. After that, under the programs, click on uninstall a program. And then in this part, just scroll down and then look for WPS Office once again. And then once you see it, just right click on it. And then we're going to click on uninstall. After that, click on yes right here. And then in this part, all you have to do is to click on uninstall once again. And then click on continue uninstall. After that, click on clear data. And then click on clear. And then all you have to do is to wait for it to be uninstalled. Now, once it is done, all you have to do is to restart your PC by going here. And then once you click the restart button, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.